When is a square not a square? When it's a carpenter's square. It sure looks like a triangle to me. My small carpenter square from DFM Toolworks came today. This is an excellent tool. It's extremely well made and the graduations on it are very easy to read. I got this green one through his pre-order. They will be selling blue carpenter squares, which is their normal color, through their Amazon store. Since these are handmade, they may not always be available. You have to keep checking back. These squares are made by Joe Belknap in his Chicago, Illinois shop. If you check the Instagram page for DFM Toolwork, you can see some videos of these squares being made. They go through a lot of different steps before they get to the final customer. The 5/4-inch holes hold a pin for fixed angles of 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 67.5 degrees. These are there for mitering octagons, hexagons, and equilateral triangles. There's an accurate 3-inch scale on both sides of the carpenter square. The holes are at 1/16 of an inch increments for putting a pencil in and drawing lines. Well, I did manage to check my DFM carpenter square against the one that red company makes. It's right on. The foam for the packaging is also made on the CNC. The carpenter square and pin fit snugly in the package. The finger holes make it easy to get them out. This is going to be a great addition to my tools. Now I need to make a tool holder so I can put it on my French cleats. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, ask any questions or make any comments that you have. Please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you know when we publish videos. Thank you all very much for watching.